North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond at 41163 Huron-Bruce Road for a CO alarm that's been going off for 5 minutes. Caller and her husband are feeling okay. They will be evacuating. Once again, 41163 Huron-Bruce Road for a residential CO alarm that's been going off for 5 minutes. No symptoms. Time of first page is 22:57. Attention North Huron Fire, Wingham Station. Please respond at 41163 Huron-Bruce Road, cross streets of Jeffrey Line and Gilmore Line for a CO alarm that's been going off for 5 minutes. Caller and her husband are feeling fine and will be evacuating the residence. Once again, 41163 Huron-Bruce Road for a residential CO alarm going off with no symptoms. It's December 4th at 22:58. Please respond.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Car 4.
Car 4, go ahead.
Car 4 acknowledges page for the Wingham Station. Wingham Station responding shortly.
That's Roger, Car 4, you're acknowledging page and Wingham Station responding shortly at 22:58:47.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1.
Fire unit calling, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show Engine 1 responding to 41163 Huron-Bruce Road for a report of a CO alarm going off.
Roger, Engine 1, you're responding 12:03:14.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron, Engine 1.
Engine 1, go ahead.
Show Engine 1 arriving on scene. All occupants out of the house. Charlie B command and command to be mobile.
That's Roger, Engine 1, you are on scene. All occupants are out of the residence. Charlie is in command and mobile at 23:10:11.
Go ahead, Engine 1 command. Roger that, Engine 1. Fire Dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, you can show 360 complete. All the vents seem to be working. I also have an entry team with Part 3 entering the structure to do an air quality check.
That's Roger, command 360 complete. All vents are working. Entry team Par 3 are entering the building for an air quality check at 23:14:33.
Go ahead, entry team 1 command. Roger that, entry team 1, 0 readings, main floor. Go ahead, entry team 1 command. Roger that, entry team 1, 0 readings throughout the structure, unable to silence the alarm, going to continue investigating. Fire Dispatch, North Huron command.
Go ahead.
Entry team 1 has 0 readings throughout the whole structure, unable to get the alarms to reset, so we will be continuing the investigation.
That's Roger, command. Entry team 1 has indicated there's 0 readings in the structure and you're unable to silence the alarm, and you will be continuing investigation at 23:22:07.
Fire Dispatch, North Huron command.
Command, go ahead.
Dispatch, entry team 1 located a faulty detector in the structure. They have exited the building. Smoke alarm checks done. We'll be doing some paperwork. We'll be clearing the scene shortly.
That's Roger, Command. Entry Team 1 located a faulty detector in the structure. Smoke alarm check is complete, and you're exiting the structure, clearing scene shortly at 23:37:16.
Fire dispatch, North Huron Command.
Command, go ahead.
Property's being turned back over to the property owner. Command's terminated. Engine 1's cleared. Scene returned to Wingham Station.
That's Roger, Command. Property is turned over to the property owner. Command is terminated. Engine 1 is clear and returning to station at 23:45:10.